Memorial Day this weekend. If you're looking for something easy to cook up, we have just the dish for you. If it ever, in fact, warms up here, a nice chilled soup would be nice. And Dr. Richard Collins, our pal from South Denver Cardiology Associates, back with us to how to make a healthy soup. And I think of, soups as generally healthy, but they usually have one problem, right?
There's a lot of salt in them, generally, and especially gazpacho.
Right, which is a great summer soup, right?
It is. It's tomato-based, but every time there's tomatoes, there's always salt.
And the tomato, you say it's the tomato juice that has a lot of salt in it.
But there are basic ingredients that we do use in a gazpacho. You have usually some sort of bell pepper, some garlic, some onions, and usually citrus, and of course, the spice.
Sriracha. But you talk about really, classic, spicy, rich flavors, but we're going to take the tomato out today.
It's gone. We're going to use a watermelon.
Watermelon replaces tomato. Show me how.
So easy. So I have 6 cups of seedless watermelon chopped up. So we're going to just go ahead and add our green onions.
Okay, we have a, what is that, about a quarter cup?
Yeah, right. We have a cup of cucumber, chopped up.
Cucumber.
Okay, peeled. We have the bell pepper.
Chopped up bell pepper.
And in case
does it matter?
It doesn't really matter. You can use green or whatever. And we have, instead of cilantro, mint.
Oh, we're adding mint because we have the watermelon. It's a good flavor to add there.
Juice of a lime. Okay.
Squeeze those in, and we're good to go.
We're good to go.
Are we done cooking at this point?
We are done. We are done. Now, the hardest part is just push the button. Just pulse it. Just pulse it. Don't chop it totally.
Because you want it to have a little bit of
meat
chunk to it, I guess, right?
Right. There we go. Now we're going to add a little light cranberry raspberry juice.
Now you say light, meaning light as far as
sugar.
Sugars, okay.
Yes. Okay, and then just
let it go for a little while. And is that really the real time you've made it?
That's it.
Okay. Because we look over here, and you obviously have a beautiful presentation, the martini glass look.
But of course.
But also these.
And what I did is I hollowed out the watermelon, put it in the freezer, and then you serve that as a container.
These do look a little familiar, like something I've had a sip or two out of on a tropical vacation, but without gazpacho in the middle there. It smells great. We're going to get a chance to taste it in just a couple minutes, but it's a real heart-healthy option. Very interested on how the watermelon flavor versus the traditional tomato flavor. Is it that different?
It is different, and it's very refreshing, and there's only 50 calories in this.
All right, we're going to get a chance to taste test it in just a minute. The recipe is always on our website. Great to see you, Doc. Thanks. Coming up in What to Watch, the superhero inspired